We were seeking an out-of-this-world hike and countryside getaway and struck gold when we landed in London. And with a little bit of help from a map. Oh, still too close.
Alright, you wanna go?
That's how we found Snowdonia National Park in Wales. Let's jump right into this hike of Cadair Idris. You're off to a good start if you found this waterfall.
Gramatik.
This is definitely not your average hike. Weather is making it more entertaining for sure. In the rain on anniversary.
This gate was checkpoint number 2. I think it keeps the sheep from escaping.
I don't know how far we've come. It looks pretty back there.
And then we came to checkpoint number 3, which was a split in the trail. Go left or go right.
As they say in England, stick left. Stay on the left side of the road. How cool is this place?
It's just
Alex and myself.
And for a brief moment, the weather cleared up.
We go check out this lake. So far, so good.
Just as we were reaching the lake, the weather came back in full force. But we braved through the elements and just tried to enjoy being there. On a clearer day, you could hike all around the top of that mountain face, and even catch a swim if you weren't already frozen from the hail, wind, and rain.
The sun finally came out just a little bit. Not bad for a day that was supposed to be all rain and stormy and gross, but I don't know, a pub or something. It is Wales.
That's exactly what we did. Now back to that country getaway idea.
So begins our road trip through Snowdonia.
And eventually we landed in sheep country.
Sorry, sheep.
No, dude, no.
We found this cottage for rent online, and it was the perfect place to relax.
This furnace is key.
Cheers! After a few days of exploring the area, we drove back to London, but not before saying goodbye to our new friends.
I think that counts as successfully herding sheep for the day.
We had one last day to explore London and hit the streets to see what kind of trouble we could get into. We stopped by the Queen's house to say hello.
Hi.
And then jumped over to the Tower of London to see the armors of all the kings, one crazy looking dragon,
Your giant Braveheart sword.
and of course the crown jewels.
Throughout the night, no need to fight, never a frown.
Alright, Tower Bridge. Now it's tea time. Tea time after Tower Bridge.
Yep, totally worth it.
Thinking about the forecast. Let's make a phone call, find out. Hi, forecast please. Got good news.
And now I'll rise above you.
that, my friends, is how a quick trip to London led to an amazing hike in Wales. What's your favorite hiking spot? Let me know in the comments below.
I'm trying to do something different here.